Hi guys, and welcome. It's me, J Rose, singing Vegan Mum. Yes, the holidays is well in swing now, and I wanted to bring you another kind of healthier snack. Now, if you're like me, I don't really want to start the January too far away from where I want to be in terms of figure and weight wise. So I have been coming up with some little snacks that isn't so indulgent, but it still feels like you're giving yourself some kind of a treat. So I've got this lovely recipe that I found. I'm going to call it a banana snicker because it's got peanuts in it, it's got vegan chocolate over it, and it's got a banana. It's a really simple recipe. Oh, but before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so that anytime I turn up you will know all about it. So our banana snicker, how did I make it? Well, first of all, have a banana, cut it in half, then slice it. Then get some crunchy peanut butter. That's the snicker bit, right? And then just layer that on the flat side of your banana. Then get some vegan chocolate and then just melt it and then pour it all over and then put it in the fridge, or if you want it really quick, in the freezer. And that's it. That is it. So I have taken my banana snicker out. Oh, and I forgot, you can also add raisins to it as well. So I have the original banana snicker here, but also got the raisin one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it in half and see how it looks. Then I'm going to bring, oh lovely, oh ew, lovely, it cuts really beautifully. And then I'm going to call my assistant, my son, Kyan. Oh, it cuts beautifully. And then I'm going to call my son Kyan to get his opinion. So I want to just show you what it looks like here. Look, let me show you what it looks like. Can you see that? So you've got the banana, you've got the nuts, and of course you've got the vegan chocolate. Looks delicious. Let's have a look at the raisin one. Oh, the raisin one looks really good. That's the raisins. Can you see it? The raisins, the chocolate, and the banana. Simple snack while you're watching TV, the Bond movie, whatever, on Christmas Day, Boxing Day, New Year's Day. Make yourself this banana snicker. So easy, really simple, and not as indulgent as it could be, but still tastes indulgent. So guys, try this out, and let me see if I can get my son to come along and tell me what he thinks of this. Kyan! Yeah, this is my son Kyan. He's just turned 30. Look how tall he is. You're trying to catch up with me, isn't it, Kyan? What's that about? Anyway, look, it's called a banana snicker, right? It's got chocolate, it's got peanuts, and it's got banana. And what's your opinion?
It tastes really good, yeah.
It tastes really good?
Yeah.
You speak up then, speak with conviction. How's it taste?
Yeah, it tastes quite good.
It tastes really good. Would you eat it? If I made lots of this, would you eat it?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
You would? Oh, you didn't think about that. Why did you think about it?
I don't know.
Oh, so he's saying it's a resounding thumbs up. A resounding thumbs up for... Do you want to try the raisin one, please? There's one with raisins in it. So come, let's try the raisin one. Come. He's trying the raisin one, guys. Lovely. So what? Ah! He's dropping it. Pick it up quick. Nah! It's alright, we've lost it. We've lost one. But what's the verdict?
It tastes good.
Which one do you prefer? The raisin one or the other one, the without the raisin, or they're both just as good?
They're both just as good.
Oh, lovely. See, I think I've trained you very well. Anyway, maybe I've trained your palate. Well done. Thank you very much. So as you can see, this went down really well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please comment. Please try it. My snicker, look at that. Beautiful. I hope you can see that in the camera. Try that, guys, over the holiday. For healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.